This is it, guys and gals. Hold on, I'll just verify. There it is. Thanks be to God, guys and gals. After 3 attempts, this could be the 4th attempts on expecting Kidney to come, and thanks be to God. On my way home now. Hold on. Pwede po makisok. Hold on, guys. Bye, Rosario. Finally. Thank you, Lord. Safe and sound. I thought I'm gonna wait for a very long time. So, Rosario area, bye for now.